Oh no, he's not. He's worse than I am.
Bring him up next
What was
weekend.
it called again?
Oh, it's
Cameo.
Cameo.
Cameo?
Wow.
Likes to ride a motorcycle?
Because I ride a scooter.
A scooter's
a
not
lighter colored version of that. What is it called? Cameo.
Cameo.
Why don't they just spell it like Cameo? Like C-A-M-E-O.
I have no
That's a
fucking
brooch. Okay, my gay side's coming out. Don't record that now.
I'm gonna tell your husband. Alright, was he cowboy?
Mr. George.
Well, this is likes drugs. No. That's not good. They're too hand-fisted. No way. See, these are all really heavy. 2 tons of fun.
Mike likes the top of the list.
Oh, the hanky coast.
No, mine's just
Are
black.
you teaching somebody something?
What's a starfucker?
Silver lame.
It's like people
Starfucker. I have no idea. Hey, Richard.
That's somebody who likes important.
They got one on here. Their hanky color is silver lame.
Yeah,
Top is a star fucker, bottom is a star. What the hell is a star?
that's when Timmy says the drag queen's got a hold of the list. Those, they mean nothing.
I haven't heard half this shit on here before.
If you notice, it's all drag queen
Yeah.
shit at that point. They just got carried away. That's why I say I only go about 10 basic.
You're on the way, Joe.
Black, brown, yellow, red, and white. That's all you need.
Orange.
Okay, orange.
No, orange means anytime. We know that.
We
told
know
us.
that.
Yeah.
He commented on the orange lights that we have hanging on the trailer, and and they're going to the left to boot. I'm like, Jeff, we need to go home and fix that real fucking quick.
On tour bottom. That should be everybody here. No tour for
Mosquito netting.
mosquito netting.
Yeah, what do they got for love bugs in Florida?
Some kind of 8 inches or more.
Oh, he found the blue.
So what color?
Mustard?
More is mustard.
Mustard, you need to wear a mustard one. What do they got for 15 inches or more like you? What?
And that can go on either
That's
side,
the
too.
Well, it's the same thing. Basic. Timmy gave us that, but it's got some of that junk on it too.
Hey, you got a portable one now.
There will be a
He's now official card member of the Hanky Club.
Hold it up, Frank.
We'll memorize this by the end of the night. Or by the end of the trip. What did you learn in your trip away from Miami? Well, I learned every color you can.
I learned them mustard, blue, white, yellow.
Hanky blowing.
And I also learned that I was wearing lime green for the last 3 years because I tend to meet people and ask them for dinner. But it's